Hey, it's Rob, Mr. Homeowner. Wanted to give you guys a preview of what we're going to be working on this weekend. One of the things we're going to be working on is our garden, which you can see this square out here. I started mowing it super short. I'm going to do that again tomorrow. I'm hoping the grass will die out. And so first thing I was doing was mowing it super short, moved the burn barrel over out of the way, hoping most of the grass will die so I don't have to till that much of it. Add some mushroom soil, add some fencing around it, but we'll do that this weekend. Also what we're going to do, I got some, I was going to do tilapia on the griddle, but then my brother-in-law showed up with some shark, some thresher shark, so we're going to do that. Well, we'll do that and the tilapia, but so that's thawing out in the fridge right now. Once that's done, so as far as the shark goes, it's frozen right now. Letting it thaw overnight, and then I'll soak it in some milk tomorrow morning, and then hopefully by lunchtime I'll be able to cook that up. We'll do some shark on the griddle, tilapia on the griddle, and hopefully start getting this garden going soon. But this sky is crazy. You probably can't see the colors, but it's pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. There's hit that subscribe button if you can. Hit the likes. Show me some comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. Homeowner stuff, grilling, griddling, smoking. You know what? I was gonna smoke some of the shark. I got 4 big steaks of it, but I don't know. I wanted to griddle it. So let me know what you want to see. Thanks again. We'll see you.